Pakistan tax policy is regressive, unfair, and complex, and tax administration is one of the most unproductive and corrupt anywhere in the world. Little wonder that there is hardly anyone who shows any trust in the nation's tax system, though it is a misplaced argument. Most people, especially business persons, would gladly pay more to the government indirectly that become part of a system. The tiny number of tax filers who overwhelmingly comprise salaried persons and the collection of more than two-thirds of income tax through indirect withholding or advance tax testify to this sad fact. Similarly, our ports remain porous as customs allows everyone to understate or overstate the value of their international trade transactions according to their financial interests for a price. The admission by senior officials of the FBR before a parliamentary panel that refund claims of over rupees had been blocked since 2014 to show higher growth in collection speaks volumes for the performance of its 20,000 odd staffer and how the board operates to hoodwink government and people alike. The present tax is a major reason behind the distortion in the economy and is at the heart of our fiscal as the tax to GDP continues to hover around 10%, one of the world's lowest. Ever since it took over, the current government has been struggling to turn around the FBR.